Let's go. We are going to make the millet pancakes. Okay, so for the millet pancakes, the first thing I turn the gas on the other side, and the grill is getting hot. Okay, so that is the first key here. Okay, perfect. So the grill is getting hot. Second thing, I'm going to make the combinations of different flours, different herbs, and water and salt all together in one pan. Okay, so let's make the paste first. So to make the paste, I have 4 to 5 strings of the garlic. Okay, then I have half onion, then I have 1 tablespoon of the ginger, and then I have 1 teaspoon of the cumin seeds.
Okay.
I'm going to blend all this together and make a powder out of it, paste out of it. Okay. Come here.
Delicious.
Perfect. This is the best.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Now I'm going to mix all of this. So this is a wheat flour, 1 part, 1 small bowl. Then I have chickpea flour, 1 part, 1 small bowl. And then I have a white pearl millet flour, 1 small bowl. Okay. In this one, I'm going to add this whole paste. Okay. I'm going to add this paste. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water here. Okay, 1 bowl of water here, and I'm going to get all the things out of it. Okay,
that's smart.
So yes, it saves our time of cleaning also. You see this, right? So now I'm going to just mix it all together very well. Okay, so I'm going to add the consistency, the water as per the consistency what we need. Okay, and I'm going to mix it. Okay, so make sure when you are adding there should not be lumps. So you can use that whisker, you know, or you can use the hand blender, whatever ways you want to mix it. Okay, whatever is convenient. So I generally use the blender, hand blender. You see this? So mix it all together. Now I'm going to add the salt into it. So 1 spoon and another spoon.
No, that's a lot more liquid than I thought it would be.
Yes. So I'm going to make it, break it. So when you are cooking at home, let it sit for 15-20 minutes.
No.
And then you make it, okay? So as we are going to save some time here, okay? See? Right? So when it is going to go on the grill, this is not going to be a typical American pancake, okay? This is going to be a little bit thinner than the American pancake, okay? So it has to spread faster, so that's why we need to have a proper consistency. And this is a little bit thicker to spread it out. So let's see one first, and now I'm going to add the chopped cilantro into this. Okay, here you go. Now you come here and see your soup is ready. Here, you want to? I will just turn this off. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
This pan is hot. This is very hot. Now bring this in and mix it. Now this is nice and hot. You want to feel it? I want you to feel it. Don't touch. Don't touch. This is very hot because it's started long time before. Right? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some oil here and put it at the bottom, and I'm going to spread it out so that it will not stick
Okay.
to the pan. Okay? Okay, perfect. Now this is nice and warm. Okay, I'm going to put this batter and spread it out. Okay, so when you are spreading out, you have to make sure you are not pressing it hard.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a very baby pancake. But once you get comfortable with it, you can make it. So now it is hard to spread it out. So that's why it didn't spread and I didn't do the bigger one. So now what I will do, I will add a little bit more water here and make it a little bit more liquidy. You see? Now this will be easy to spread it out. But it comes with the practice how to spread it. Okay?
Okay. That was amazing. I expected it to be a lot more viscous, not so
You see this?
not so thick. Yeah.
So there are two, three things you can do. So you can put some oil on top of it. Okay? And you flip over.
Wow.
Okay?
That's great.
Simple, easy, very easy to make, cook and eat. So this is my garlic. So I'm going to make sure it is getting properly cooked. Okay, and this is the time. And we can add a little bit of ghee on the top. Okay, then turn, add a little bit of ghee, and your pancake is fully ready. You have to cook it properly because it has to be cooked properly, otherwise it is going to create the hazards for the colon. And digestion also. See? Good? This is good. Alright, so I'm going to remove this and put it aside.